Let's dive right into this explainer. We're looking at how AI is completely reshaping healthcare and education today.
But here's the massive question on everyone's mind right now. Will this tech actually help us or replace us?
See, unlike old software, AI literally learns from oceans of data. It improves itself instead of just finding keywords.
First up, Sector 1, AI as a medical assistant.
By scanning medical images, AI spots critical things like cancer and heart disease with crazy, life-saving accuracy.
It predicts patient risks instantly, meaning doctors can step in way earlier. That literally saves countless lives.
But it's a partnership. AI crunches the data, but the doctor's human judgment, that's absolutely essential.
Moving on to Sector 2, the new AI classroom.
Look how it adapts. Struggling students get extra practice instantly, while quick learners get advanced material right away.
Behind the scenes, it knocks out lesson plans and grading, freeing teachers up to actually mentor kids.
But hey, educators have valid concerns here. Will kids rely on it too much and stop thinking critically?
Which brings us to the human element. While AI handles the busy work, our human skills become huge assets. Because AI totally lacks creativity, leadership, and empathy. Employers desperately need those human traits right now.
Ultimately, the future belongs to people who team up with AI instead of just being scared of it.
So I'll leave you with this. The AI revolution is already happening. How are you going to adapt?